I saw your question here from Chapter 8, Section 1. I think we worked through the earlier parts, at least this one, Part B. Now you're asking Part C. Part C is just a reverse of Part B, which is quite common in math. But the shape of distribution required to get a oil change is unknown. However, records indicate, mean is 11.1 and the standard deviation is 4.5. So first of all, I guess since you must be more than 30 in the sample, and so that makes it normal. We already counted that for you. The mean of the sample, same as the mean of the population. The standard deviation of the sample equals population standard deviation over square root of n. I guess I don't see it, but n's 40 here. So I put the 4.5 over square root of 40. So this is the standard deviation of the sample. So then I brought up StatCrunch to answer this question. You click on Stats, Stats Calculator, Normal Calculator. I put in the mean, which is given as 11.1. Calculate the standard deviation for the sample there. I put it in. And so here, we were calculating probability. Now we're reversing it. They want you to put in 10%. So, I put in 0.1 here, and you click Compute. And I guess they want you to round it, 10.2 minutes. I guess, it gets a nice graph. Get 10% of will be done in less than 10.2 minutes, I guess. Hope this helps.